Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. This is a brand new conversion, and I can operate it using just 2 fingers. Check it out. I pinch and I flip. These clamps, they keep these ramps from rattling. They're a great design. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the best answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we also sell a side entry, we sell full-size vans, we even have some trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, we're probably getting it ready right now, or I can find it for you, so talk to me about that. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. Got 800-pound weight capacity, and the ramp does taper to about 32 inches here at the width. With a deep cut conversion on this, so hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. And you can see the 8 tie down points for the wheelchairs. It does have the upgraded Q strengths. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Got our spare tire there. Headliner's in great shape. You got your rear air controls up there. And we can even put a 3rd row seat that'll flip down. If you need to haul more people, you can haul 6 plus a wheelchair. Got about 21 inches of room between those seats. We can even do flip-based seats if you need. We can add a gurney kit to this. Talk to me about your measurements. Talk to me about what you want to use it for. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Instructions there for the Q strengths and warranty information. Nice center console. Got your plug-ins for all your electronics. More cup holders. Dual climate control, rear air. You can sync up your phone so you can keep your eyes on the road. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process, and you are ready for your next adventure. Check it out, 1 finger. Now our van's brand new conversion, comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to have no warranty whatsoever. 1 year, 12,000 miles on some of them. 3 years, 36,000 miles on some of them. I want you to ask them what their warranty is, and I want you to compare that to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Van's got tinted windows, got the alloy wheels. These tires are all got 730 seconds of tread left on them, so they're not brand new, but they do have quite a bit of tread left on them. As I do a walk around of the van, you can see it's nice and clean. I'm looking for little dents or scratches. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's a very nice van, very well taken care of. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair vans. How we do it, it's simple. It's low overhead. One thing is, we're right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. The other thing is, with our one location, I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20, 50 stores. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have, not only every month, but every year. Millions of dollars in overhead that we don't have because we have one location. That's how we beat their prices by so much money. Check us out, see how you can save that money today. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, Facebook Marketplace, for example, which is the dirtiest place in the history of the world to buy a vehicle. No, I am not joking. They'll take a picture of my van, they'll steal it off my website, they'll cut out my sign up there, and they'll post this van for $15,000, send a $2,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam you. They don't even have this van. Facebook won't stop them. Facebook won't do anything about it. So say to them, I want a video of the VIN number, and make them say their name. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I've got this van right here with me. They can't do that because they don't have these vans. They're simply stealing pictures. Don't get scammed. Protect yourself. Get that video. A little bit of touch-up paint from a couple of scuffs marks right there, by the way. Just want to shoot you straight on that. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see this vehicle, no accident or damage. And I don't know why Carfax does this, but they don't always put the number of owners. But if it has 1 owner, it's 1 line here. If it's 2 owners, it's 2 lines here. 3 owners would be 3 lines here. So got 1 line running down here, indicates 1 owner. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is 1 owner, clean title, no accidents. That's an A+ Carfax. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,574 transactions with 100% positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. You can see here we are, 4.8 out of 5 stars, 326 reviews. Yes, we are real. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from private individuals, people they know nothing about, or the low-end dealers with a 1 and 2 and 3 star rating here. They end up buying vehicles that have a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, a major mechanical issue, bad engine, bad transmission. They end up with a complete lemon. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with those low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been building their reputation for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. It's got the 2 keys, got the keyless entry. As I open up the van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. As I open up the back, much of the same. Very clean. Seats look darn near brand new. And just showing you the layout for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. When I go to turn the van on, 34,358 miles. You can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Got the AC kicking, it works great. That radio works just fine, and I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving right now. We test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, these go through a very thorough inspection. I'm even showing you the back vents back there before they hit my lot. Most dealers, they run them through a car wash, throw them on the lot, and let you deal with the problems. That is not how we do things here. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any damage, from being in an accident, no bent metal from being in an accident, no signs of any rust from being up north, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume, oh, it's only got 34,000 miles and it looks good in pictures. That means it's never been in a bad accident. That means it's never been in a flood. That means it runs and drives great. You couldn't be more wrong. Do not assume things. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right. I don't care if it's another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself a couple questions. Do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother snapping a couple pictures, much less of the detailed video of front and back, so you can see no signs of an accident underneath here, no signs of any flood damage. They get up on the roof and show you there's no damage up on the roof. You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that not only have been in a flood? Yeah, the dealers will just take brand new vehicles to the auction, dump them off that have been in a flood, make it someone else's problem. Or I'll see vehicles with tail all over the roof or holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi, but they don't fix the roof because no one checks the roof. You know who checks the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who checks the roof. So you tell me what ends up happening. If you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for, or it won't pass inspection in your state because it's got flood damage to the frame or accident damage to the frame. In both those cases, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid those problems and so many more issues, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, I demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do those for me. I get a Carfax on every vehicle before I buy it, which only benefits you. Do not settle for some cheap knockoff. Demand the Carfax report. A third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then third, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And you can see the roof up here. Everything looks great. That's why I crawl up on the roof and check them before I buy them. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. I got the cruise control set. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new van. Very nice, very clean. And do keep in mind we have a 90-day complimentary warranty and no additional charge to you. We do sell longer term warranties that protect more components on the van. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online, but they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees and by the time you add the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Excuse me. Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important in the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, I'm turning the AC down, by the way. I'm getting frozen out in here. It's only middle of the fan there. AC works great. It's almost 100 degrees here today. But call or text, preferably a text. That's the fastest way to get hold of us, is a text message. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text me. Now I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. We'll walk you through start to finish. We'll get you taken care of. That blinking on the screen right there, that's how the camera picks it up. It's not doing that in real life. Kind of like watching a TV on TV back in the day. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can call you up, take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or a mobility vehicle. Again, get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you would like to make an appointment to come in and see us, we welcome that. But again, we do require you make an appointment. We're busy every second of the day. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. Help us maximize your time and ours. Make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a very large purchase. I try to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, so you know exactly what you're getting, all with no hidden fees, from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and we really appreciate you checking us out. Have yourself a wonderful day.